If your primary goal as a business owner isn't to make your business fully self-sufficient, then you're a moron. A lot of what I'm going to go over today is from this one book that I just read. It's called Clockwork by Mike, I can't pronounce his last name. So I'm going to go over the essentials today. What you're going to do in the beginning when you start your business, what you're going to do as a little bit of an in-between before it becomes fully self-sufficient. Now, of course, when you start your business, you're going to have to be doing all of the work, because of course you might not have any employees, and if you do in the beginning, you're still gonna have to do a lot of the work because they're not gonna know what to do. And in the beginning, your main goal should be to find out the most important things about your business that bring the money in. For almost every company, for every company, it is sales. You need to bring sales in. You need to get a sales force. You need to bring marketing in. You need to get that outsourced as quick as possible and get the best talent that you can to get on that. Now, finding the right employees are so much easier said than done, but I'll post another video about how I find the best employees ever. But in the meantime, you have to hire and experiment until you find at least one or two good ones. Now, after you start bringing employees on and they're taking care of the important things that are what keep the business running, you need to make sure that they are focused on not the task, but the outcome of what happens, and they need to be incentivized to make the outcome happen. Because if they're not, they're gonna do whatever. Most people everyone has an employee mindset, and as the business owner, you're gonna have to make them care as much about this as you do. Now, it's hard for every single entrepreneur. I went through it as well. It's hard to put your trust in someone else to do all the work, because as an entrepreneur, you see yourself as the only person who's able to do the work. You don't think that anyone else can do it, and you think that you do it perfectly, which is not true. Your guys are going to be able to do it just as good, if not better, as long as they're incentivized and they know what outcome they're looking for. Then after that, you just keep on bringing on more and more people to take more stress and more work off of your shoulders. Now, an important thing about this is to delegate the people and make them responsible of the decisions. Because if they don't know how to make a decision, they're just going to come right back to you, and then you're going to have just as much work as you had in the beginning. Now, after you've assigned all the working and all the doing to your employees, all the decisions are on them, and they are responsible for everything that happens. All that's left for you to do is overlook the business and essentially just take the money in. That is the essential rundown of what I wanted to go through about growing your business, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and have a good one.